Hello, today we'll try to prove the negative exponent rule, which says 1 over x to the power of n can also be written as x exponent negative n. So let us start the proof. We'll take the left hand side, which is 1 over x raised to the power of n. Now here to prove this, what we are trying to do is we'll make the base of the numerator also the same. So we know that 1 is any number raised to the power 0. If you don't know the proof of this, please go to the video and watch it. Now, because 1 can be anything raised to the power 0, so I can write 1 as x raised to the power 0. And that now being divided by x raised to the power of n. Now, because the bases are same in division, so the exponents will be subtracted. This is the quotient rule for the exponents. So what we have to do is, this becomes x raised to the power 0 subtract n, which is equal to x raised to the power of negative n, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence, we have been able to prove that 1 over x raised to the exponent n can also be written as x to the exponent of negative n. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.